Right here now, we're in one of our line shops in Springdale, and we developed a training yard here for our live line training program. Live line work is a work method where our power line technicians safely work on transmission and distribution lines without turning power off to our customers. So they can do maintenance, upgrading, remove defective equipment from our system, and our customers don't even know that our power line technicians are doing that work because they don't see an outage.
I grew up in Churchill Falls. My parents both worked at CFLco there for a number of years, so I guess I'm second generation. We use bucket trucks and rubber gloves and blankets to cover up our conductors so we can directly contact the conductors and complete our work. Put the power on. Safety to me is doing our work, completing our work, and crew and myself going home to our families.
Oh, I'm extremely proud of our team that's doing live line training. You know, they put a lot of pressure on themselves to get the power back to our customers as quick as they can, because that's their role, provide safe, reliable electricity to our customers.